What's up guys, What's Short Tech here, and today we're going to go over Mophie's wireless charging. This thing can charge 3 devices at once. I got it pretty much because my old charger was good, but it started freaking out and, needed to upgrade. So I decided, let's upgrade to something, worth the money. You pay for what you get, I guess. So this thing will charge up to 3 devices. So as I unbox it, we'll get the part for the Apple Watch out of the box really quickly. And then after I get this part out of the box, we'll put it on the thing and I'll show you how all 3 devices will be charged with this. This is probably going to be a really short video. Anyways, you place this into this connector over here, and there you go. That will basically be for the Apple Watch. And I gotta be honest, this thing is really, really glossy. Like, it's ridiculously glossy. Like, I don't know why it's so glossy, but... Alright, that's the wire. So the wire gets plugged into the back. You could put your Apple Watch here. That will charge. You could put your AirPods here. It will charge. The light's on, so that's good. And then your iPhone. And there you go, guys. This is how you would charge all 3 devices at once. So I've been using this for a little while. So far it's been really good. Hasn't glitched out and, not charged my devices like my other thing did. So this is worth the upgrade. If you guys want to check it out, definitely check it out. It's worth charging all 3 of your devices at once, so less time charging and more time going out. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Later.